Me just goofing off, guys, but not really. Trying to get prepped, man. Trying to get prepped. Trying to get this new ESC. Trying to get it prepped and ready. I've gotten my cap pack on. Yeah, I've gotten that on. Got it on and got it fine and cool down. Wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I have. Got it on and shrink wrap. Did it a little different this time. Yeah, did it a little different. I think it's better. Some of you professional solderers out there, I don't want to hear it, because it works. It works, baby. Yes, sirree. Work. I haven't had no solder fail me yet. Yep. First time for everything. Let's see. Yep, first time for everything. But yeah, I got my cap pack. I made another one. It's still in the preliminary stage, guys. Still got to tape it up, but I decided to wait this time because I kind of think I got some shrink wrap big enough to go over that. I just have to look for it, so that's why I stopped right there. So let me find that shrink wrap. That touched up with a little bit of fresh solder. That's one I've used. Let's see, better not do that yet. Let's see, is that a better hole right there? Yeah, but this is the way I saw my QS8s, SQ8s. Can't never get them right. This is the way I solder mine, guys. Trying to get it arranged where you guys can see. It's a little awkward. Yeah, it's a little hot. Forgot. Dumbass. Yeah, that's the way I do it. That flux is your friend, guys. Yeah, that flux is your friend. And if you don't have a high-priced gun, can I get through here? You don't have a high-priced gun, it's definitely your friend. Yeah, because you need to get hot enough, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I got some pretty decently high-priced soldering irons, but man, you can go online. You can go online and get you. Make sure you get what, 110 watt. Get you a soldering iron, man. It'll work just as good. Just as good. Some folks try to say it won't get hot enough. I haven't had that problem yet. It ain't nothing. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Am I through with it? No, I'm not through with it, but it's nothing wrong with that. They get plenty hot enough. Yeah. Plenty hot enough, guys. Turn it over and hit it again in them little cracks, crevices. We're gonna get ready to put some shrink wrap on it, and that's gonna be a wrap, man. The cracks filled in on the side. That's what I like to do, and I'm gonna call it good. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Y'all see some Make sure I'm in the camera. But yeah, anybody see anything wrong with that solder, man? With that joint? Hope y'all can see that. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Yeah, that's the way I do it, man. And then I take and wipe it off. Yeah, there's heat glue on my rag, guys. No, that's not snot or nothing. Looks a little gross to me for a minute. Make sure you don't get nothing that'll melt on it. You can let it cool, but I try to wipe it while it's hot. That way that flux comes off easier. Yeah, which I didn't do just then. But guys, I'm gonna tell y'all something that I've learned that worked real good, that I've switched to, and that's the marine. The marine heat shrink, man. That marine heat shrink, it works real good, because it have like a waterproofing inside of it. If y'all can see that, it seals it. It have an extra little, kind of like a hot glue or something inside of it. Once it melt and shrink around it, it have some more little stuff that it releases that melts. Yeah. So that's what I've been using here lately. Yeah, that's what I've been using here lately. I have to wipe that connection off. A lot of times I stick a female end on there before I do this, but just for the sake of the video, man, and time, just gonna lock him in. Yeah. As easy as that. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that. That's coming out right there. Yeah, yeah. It's the marine. It's marine heat. See, marine heat shrink for boats, whatever you want to waterproof. That's what it does, waterproof it. But anyway, guys, that's the way I do mine, man. Yeah. Anybody see anything wrong with it? Okay. It's decently done. But yeah, I gotta find my other. I don't like letting these touch together either, guys, especially once you store them with some energy. They actually act just like a battery, man. Yeah, they act just like a battery. So you don't want to let them hit together. You know, I don't know whether that can damage them or not, but it can't be good for them to, you know, inject all that energy at once like that by them touching together. So I try not to let two live wires be out at one time. When I do my wires like that, even on the ESCs, I know it's not storing any energy or anything, but still, I just try to make it a habit. Make it a habit of not trimming both of them at the same time. And on your batteries, you definitely don't want to do that. You trim one at a time. I even go as far as taping one up sometimes, or most of the time. Yeah, because to let them things touch together, guys, you can't grab them quick enough. Yeah, they would damage something real good, man. Yeah, QS8 shoot, man, it'll knock a gash in them so big you won't be able to use them, man, if you let them touch. Yeah, it'll knock a gash out of that, thick as that is. Yeah, sure will. Yeah, so best thing to do is not to trim two wires at the same time. But anyway, we got one of our ESCs today. I looked up. My friends at RC Hobbies. They had ran out of the XLX tubes actually, and had a guy, they got the combo, and had one of my friends there to break down a box for me, man. Yeah, really appreciated that. But yeah, guys, this is how I did my cap packs, and I think I showed y'all how they work damn good. And I've had some kill modes, and I'm taking nothing away from kill mode because they damn good too. But these that I made, you know, it knocks them down. They're not all that elaborate like theirs, but I'm good with what works. If it works, hey, I'm good with it. It's not gonna damage anything. Got everything separated. Not trying to put them on the market or nothing. I'm just telling you what I did and what you can do your own self. But that's heat glue. That's heat glue in the middle. I just laid them down flat, made sure they mashed together, and that's just wire that I unraveled. Took the covering off, unraveled it a little bit, and just pushed the prongs up through there, man, and snipped them off once I, you know, put a lot of solder on them and put some heat glue in between there too. So now all I need to do is wrap it. But anyway, that's the way I did. That's the way I did it, man. Yeah, and you want to go as close to the base on your ESC as possible. Normally I go a little closer, but I decided, hey, this is good enough for this. So that's what it is. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all. I just wanted to show y'all how I was doing my cap pack, man, and how I do my ends. Real simple. Yeah, because I know some guys that don't do soldering themselves. So I got some friends that's like that. And every time they get some soldered, man, it's like 20 some bucks, you know, an item. And I didn't know how to solder. I didn't know how to solder at all, you know, not very long ago. And I just, man, it can't be that hard. So I just started, you know, tinkering around with it. And I'm still not great, but I can do it good enough to get by. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all have a great day, blessed day. Like, subscribe, share. Peace.